Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the asset. Open the image, duplicate the file, and confirm format and resolution so edits won't degrade quality. Next, pick an editing approach. In painting, if you'll erase and redraw pixels, or text-guided editing to replace text directly. Once chosen, mark the region to change with a precise mask or selection. This tells the model where to focus. Make sure to record the original text and font hints. The model uses those cues to maintain style and alignment. Now you configure the model and craft a precise prompt. Set strength or edit ratio, guidance scale, and iteration steps to balance fidelity and creativity. Explain the desired text attributes, font family, size, color, kerning, and placement, and describe surrounding visual context so the model preserves shadows and texture. Then run a quick preview on a cropped section to validate results. If the crop looks off, tweak guidance or mask edges, because iterative previews save time and prevent large re-renders. Finish by rendering at full resolution and checking the edit against your backup for color, alignment, and edge blending. If the generated text needs crispness, you can overlay a vector text layer matching the font and blend it to integrate with shadows. Once done, export with metadata and keep the model settings documented for reproducibility. If things go wrong, reduce edit strength, refine the mask edges, or simplify the prompt. Those changes often fix artifacts without redoing the entire process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.